What if the next action camera you buy completely changes the way you create videos forever? Not just a small upgrade, but a true leap that makes everything you use today feel outdated. Right now, the action camera world is heating up, and something big is coming. Leaks, rumors, and insider reports are all pointing in one direction: a device that could shake the entire market. That device is the upcoming Insta360 Ace Pro 3. In recent years, Insta360 has built a strong reputation for doing things differently. While other brands play it safe, Insta360 keeps pushing limits. They mix powerful hardware with smart software, and that combination has helped them stand out in a crowded space. Now with the Ace Pro 3, it looks like they are ready to take things even further. This is not expected to be a simple upgrade. It is shaping up to be something much bigger. A camera that focuses on better image quality, smarter features, and stronger performance overall. If you are someone who creates content, records travel videos, or loves action shots, this camera might be worth waiting for. Let's start with the release timeline. Predicting launch dates is never easy, but patterns help. The first Ace Pro came out in late 2023, then the Ace Pro 2 followed in 2024. It shows a clear trend of yearly updates. So, based on that pattern, the Ace Pro 3 should arrive in late 2025, but there is a twist. Some experts believe there could be a delay. Maybe early 2026 instead. Why? Because the current model is still very strong. It is still getting updates. New features are still being added. And the company may want more time to perfect the next version. So while late 2025 is the safest guess, an early 2026 launch also makes sense. Now, let's talk about design, because this is where things get interesting. Insta360 is known for trying new ideas. Recently, a photo shared online showed some unknown devices in the background. Fans quickly noticed them. One of those devices had a unique white body. No official name was given, but many believe it could be an early version of the Ace Pro 3. At the same time, new patents have appeared. These show that the company is working on fresh designs. Some of them look very different from traditional action cameras. There are hints of more compact shapes, even designs that look closer to vlogging cameras, while the final product will likely keep its rugged look. Small changes in shape and comfort are expected. One thing that will almost certainly return is the flip-up screen. This feature is very useful, especially for solo creators. It makes framing shots much easier. Along with that, the magnetic mounting system should also stay. It is quick, simple, and very convenient in real-world use. But the biggest upgrades are expected in camera quality. This is where the Ace Pro 3 could really stand out. There are strong rumors about 8K video recording. It's true 8K. If this happens, it will be a major step forward. It means more detail, sharper footage, and more freedom during editing. With 8K, creators can zoom in, crop, and adjust shots without losing quality. Even if the final video is in 4K or full HD, the extra detail helps a lot. It gives more control. And that is something serious creators always want. Along with higher resolution, there are also talks about a larger sensor. This is very important. A bigger sensor means better light capture. That leads to clearer videos, especially in low light. Night shots, indoor videos, and sunset scenes will look much better. And that is not all. Another major upgrade could be 10-bit color. This allows the camera to capture a huge range of colors, much more than standard cameras. The result is smoother gradients and richer visuals. It also helps a lot during editing, especially for those who like cinematic looks. So when you combine 8K video, a larger sensor, and 10-bit color, you get something very powerful. A small camera that can deliver professional-level results. And this is just the beginning of what the Ace Pro 3 might bring. If you like the video, subscribe. Share the video, and hit the bell icon like that, and give your best opinion about this product.